Hi everyone. Now we discuss what is batch operating system. It is the firstly used operating system in computers. In general, we are using operating system. There will be direct interaction between user and operating system. But in batch operating system, there is no direct interaction between user and operating system. Now, the batch operating system, how it is working. We will see with the diagram here. There are multiple users, user 1, user 2, user 3, user 4 and user 5. In batch operating system, there are multiple users will participate but not single user. Each user want to execute some jobs. Here the task of user is to prepare a job. While preparing a job, he has to store the job in an offline device. It may be a punch card or magnetic tape. The task of user is to prepare the job. Hence, the job is given to the computer operator. The process, the job, is executed by the computer operator but not by the user. Hence, it is indirect interaction. Now, the task of computer operator is doing batching. The jobs are divided into batches. How the process of batching is done? Here, based on some specific functionality or similar needs, the jobs are divided into batches. For example, here I divided into 2 batches. In batch 1, there are 3 jobs. These 3 jobs, job 1, job 4 and job 5 are having similar functionality. For example, these 3 batches are having only all are the COBOL instructions. Hence, I divided these 3 batches into batch 1. And here job 2, job 3. These 2 jobs are having only all are Fortran COBOL code instructions. Hence, I divided this into batch 2. These batches are sent to the operating system. Here, these are executed and finally we get output. This is the process of executing the batch operating system. It is an indirect interaction between user and operating system. Now we discuss what are the advantages of batch operating system. Here, multiple users will participate at a time, but not a single user. It is an advantage, and less work for user. Since there is no direct interaction, there is less burden to the user. The task of user is to prepare a job only. Execution of process is all to the computer operator. Hence, these are the 2 advantages. And next, what are the disadvantages of the batch operating system? Here, we already said that firstly used operating system is batch operating system. Hence, at that time, the memory is very less. It is just in terms of KB. Hence, limited memory is there. Hence, while processing the batching, the jobs, it is difficult. Hence, we have to consider the size of memory while batching. Hence, it is an disadvantage. And next, more time is taken. Here, if we observe that, here the data is sent to the CPU and that is loading of data into the processor and unloading of the data from processor. Here two tasks are going on. In these tasks, meanwhile at that time, while loading and unloading, at this time there is no action will be performed. At that time, the CPU will be idle. So, more time is taken. This is the disadvantage. Okay. Meanwhile, no action will be performed. These are the advantages and disadvantages of batch operating system. Okay. I hope this will be helpful to you. Thank you.